Oh my god, look at this. This is the coolest thing ever. It's the PepPlay Make Your Unicorn Pillow Kit. I can't wait to make my own unicorn pillow.
I have always wanted one, and now I get to make it all by myself. This is so easy and so fun. I do not need glue or sewing. Just fill the pillow with this fluffy stuff. Tie the ribbons and decorate with the Velcro. It's so simple. And guess what? It keeps my mom happy too, because there's no mess to clean up. And look at how cute it's turning out.
This is my unicorn pillow. It's soft, it's cuddly, and it's mine. I made it all by myself.
I feel like I'm a unicorn princess. This is my unicorn pillow and I love it. It's best for playdates and sleepovers. Now go and grab yours.